Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make plant-based butter with 3 ingredients. So let's get started. To make this healthy plant-based butter, I'm going to use coconut oil, olive oil, and salt. That's all you need. I live in a cold climate, so my coconut oil is solid at room temperature. So I'm going to scoop some coconut oil in my bowl. And I'm melting my coconut oil in the microwave for about a minute. So I'm going to add approximately an equal amount of olive oil. Like that. And then I'm going to add a small amount of salt. So you can add as much or as little salt as you would like. And pour it into a container. And now I'm going to set that in the refrigerator to harden up. And here's the hardened butter. And from the refrigerator, it's quite hard. So if you want to soften it, you can just leave it at room temperature for 10 minutes or so before you need to use it. And so you can spread that on and use it any way you would use butter. It's so good. And that's how easy it is to make plant-based butter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.